Hello guys, welcome to my channel Learners Flow. So today we are going to see what is compilation and execution. So first, what is class? Before going to compilation and execution, let us understand the basic thing, that is class. So it is a keyword means already existed. So if already existed, if something is already existed, means we say it as a keyword. Okay, so it is a keyword used to create a class block. So it is used to create the class block. So this is the class block, this is open parenthesis, this is close parenthesis, this is the keyword, and this is the name we will given to that class. So class demo means this demo is a name. Okay, so demo, this is a demo class. Okay, so this is all about class. Then let us know what is JDK. So in the Java interviews, the basic thing the interviewers ask will be JDK, JRE and JVM. Let us understand that. So first, what is JDK? JDK stands for Java Development Kit. So it contains necessary tools to execute the Java program. So this is like a kit. Okay, so it contains all the tools to execute the Java program. So it contains all the tools to execute the Java program. What are the things it contains? It contains compiler, JRE. JRE contains JVM and interpreter, APIs and libraries. So in this Java development kits, all the compiler, JRE and APIs, libraries, all are there. Okay, so these are the tools which are needed to execute the Java program. So what is JRE? Let us understand in the next slide. So what is JDK? JDK stands for Java Development Kit. It contains necessary tools to execute the Java program. It contains compiler, JRE, where JRE contains JVM plus interpreter. So inside JRE, JVM plus interpreter is there. Okay, and APIs, then libraries. So one by one you will be understanding in the future videos. Next, what is JRE? JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. So in the JDK you saw the JRE, right? So this JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. It provides an environment to run the Java program. So this Java Runtime Environment gives you an environment to run the Java program. Okay, to run. Okay, in the after writing the program, what we do, we click on the run button, right? So this Java JRE gives an environment to run the program. Okay, so JVM plus interpreter. Now we need to understand what is JVM and interpreter. Inside JRE, what is there? JVM and interpreter. We see it in the last slide, right? So both will convert bytecode into low level programming language. PL stands for low programming language. So this JVM and interpreter both will convert this bytecode. What is bytecode? So I will tell you in the next slide. Okay, so this convert this bytecode into low level programming language. So in the previous videos I told about low level programming languages as well. Okay, so low level programming language is like it's a machine understandable language. We cannot understand that language completely, and machine can understand this low level programming language completely. Okay, so this both will convert the bytecode into low level programming language. This is the work of JVM and interpreter. Okay, it is present inside the JRE and JRE is present inside JDK. So this is how it works. Next, we need to understand what is compilation. Okay, so after creating the source file, what is source file? Inside the class we create the program, right? So that is the source file. So everything the program, we call it as a source file. Okay, so it will be given to the compiler. So it will be given to the compiler. Then what compiler will do to check whether any bugs is present in the source file or not? So compiler will check if there is any bugs in that source file or not. Okay, so if there is any bugs, what it will do, it will be given to the developer. Okay, it will highlight the bugs to debug it. Debug means to clear it, to clear the bug and to fix the bug. That is meant by debug. Okay, so debug it. If there there are no bugs, if there are no bugs mean what will do, compilation means compilation is success. Okay, so if there is bugs, it will highlight it and the developer can debug it. If there are no bugs, compilation is success. This is called as compilation. So it generates dot class file. Dot class file is nothing but bytecode. Okay, so in that dot class file, inside what is there, bytecode is there. We cannot see this bytecode in through our eyes. Okay, it is in the, it is it is a hidden thing. Okay, so that there is a generation of bytecode. After compilation we get a dot class file, so that dot class file contains that bytecode. So bytecode cannot understandable by humans as well as by machines. Okay, so we also cannot understand this completely, and machines also cannot understand this bytecode completely. So now you all understood what is bytecode. Okay, then execution. After compilation, the next thing we all do is execution. Okay, JVM and interpreter. Okay, these two we see it in the previous slide, right? JVM and interpreter convert this bytecode into low level programming language. So as I said, as I said, bytecode is not understandable by humans as well as by machines. So this interpreter and JVM convert this bytecode into low level programming language. So this low level programming language can easily understand by the machines completely. So what machine will do, next step, machine understand the low level programming language and gives the output. So now machine can understand this low level programming language easily, and it gives in, and it processes and then gives the output. So this is how it works. Bytecode is like a middle one. Okay, so first a source file, and then after compilation we get a dot class file that is nothing but the bytecode, and then this JVM and interpreter convert this bytecode into low level programming language, and then machine understand this low level programming language easily and gives us the output. Okay, so this is all about today's video. So in the upcoming videos I will be telling other things in the Java program. Okay, so stay tuned for that. Till then, bye. Thank you.